Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be seeing your past energies, the present and the near future. So let's see what's there for Leos. What are the messages for Leos? Let's see what are the messages for Leos. Okay, so we have the Five of Pentacles, the Magician, and the Ten of Wands in your recent past. In your present situation, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Two of Swords. And in the future, we have the Ten of Swords, the Strength, and the Page of Pentacles. Okay. So, Leos, in the recent past, there has been something which has something definitely which has happened, which had a feeling of abandonment to it. You feel abandoned, ignored, rejected, left out in the cold. Something like that has happened, and it wasn't an easy energy to deal with. Okay, it can be a financial loss though, but whatever it was, it has really left you devastated. It's not easy to deal with. That's what I feel. But still, you are trying to do it, and you are trying to manifest a new beginning for yourself. So basically, you are trying to get back up after suffering from this setback, whatever this setback was in your life, and you are doing it beautifully. With the Ten of Wands, you are unburdening yourself. So it's been a quite a tough time that you've been dealing with. That's what I want to say. In whatever shape it was for you, but it was really a tough time. Okay, and you have really worked hard on unburdening yourself from this, and you have really worked up again to get back up, and you are really uh, ready now for a new beginning in your life. So maybe that energy you have dealt with, and you have really come out successfully, or maybe it was you have rebounded very fast. It was a good rebound, a fast rebound, or maybe that was a phase of your life. But whatever it was a small phase or a lengthy phase. But what I feel is that you are really getting back up strongly and powerfully. Okay, you are ready again. And then in your present, we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Two of Swords. So here, this is a choice which needs to be made. It can be a choice regarding a relationship, it can be a choice regarding a partnership, friendship, or regarding any damn thing. But this is the time you're taking to decide. With the Seven of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Two of Swords, this is a time for a major decision over here, in which you are reviewing and contemplating, and you are really taking time to yourself. Okay, you are trying to look for the solution within, or looking to answers within. Either it is a choice for something, or it is actually a relationship. Maybe the same relationship is coming back, I don't know, or it is something new, or it is just a choice which is being offered for you to, as to which path to move on. But definitely this is a time of a major decision which you are trying to take. So you definitely have a choice regarding something, whatever it is in your life. But yes, in right now you are trying to take a decision. You're really trying to take a decision. So it's like a time of a pause over here. That's what I feel. It's a time of a pause over here, because you really want to act wisely this time. Behave wisely. You really don't want to commit any mistake. You want to be very rational. You want to be very you want to weigh all the pros and cons before trying moving on, or taking a decision over here, whatever this is for you. In the immediate future, we have the Ten of Swords, the Strength, and the Page of Pentacles. So what I feel here is, whatever it was which you were struggling with, whatever it was, you are really done with it. Yes, it has really made you suffer a lot, and it has really sort of a backstabbed you, and you have really dealt with it with a lot of strength and courage, whatever it is which is. So with the Page of Pentacles, what I'm trying to say here is that here you are trying to take a decision over here. And in the near future, with the Page of Pentacles, What I feel here is you are trying to overcome whatever it was. Here it is, you are ready for the new beginnings, but though, even though you are ready, you don't want to commit any mistake. Okay, you don't want to make any impulsive action. You don't want to uh, dive in into any damn thing just for the sake of it, or to take it. You are not in a mood to take any risk right now. This is your present. In the immediate future, what I feel is you're still having a hard time to come out of what you have suffered. It's not easy. You really feel very, very cautious, and backstab type of energy is there. You are still dealing with it, but it is the step forward which you are taking with the Page of Pentacles. You are making a move. So in the near future, this is all you are just trying to manifest a new beginning, though not making a move. But in the near future, yes, you are making a move, but I think it will still take some more time for you to come out of whatever you have dealt with, because it's not easy for you. It's not easy for you. You are really, really hurt in whatever way it was for you. So in spite of being having all the resources and getting back up powerfully, but you want to take the time to execute the new beginning. Okay, so I think it is a time of a pause and a transition between this setback which you have suffered in the recent past. Even though you have collected the resources, you have the energy and the resources to move ahead, but still you want to make a wise choice this time. And it's really tough for you to do so, but still with a lot of strength and courage, you are completing whatever it was and moving on towards a new beginning with the Page of Pentacles. I think it will still take some more time for you to have this new beginning. You are still dealing with some sort of effects of the past. It's not easy for you, but yes, you will do it anyway. Just see, the Magician has popped up. So this is the Magician of this. This is definitely a new beginning. So we have the Magician over here. As I said, this is about, as I said, you have all the resources to move ahead. And as I said over here with the Page of Pentacles, it is a small move ahead, and then the Magician is again there. So definitely I should put it over here. What I feel is this is a new beginning which you are actually manifesting now and taking a, so you have taken a decision, but since that you have that feeling of a little bit of inhibition, little of a being scared, or that fear of not repeating the same thing again, so you are making a small move. But yes, there's definitely, it is something new which is you are manifesting. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels over here. Two of Action. Two cards just came in my hand. I've taken both of them. Two of Action. Trust in your ability to make excellent choices. There's an opportunity all around you if you just continue to move forward. It may be the time to take on a new partner who can help you be a success in your career or creative endeavors. Keep your eyes on the big picture rather than details of the moment. Ace of Abundance. This cherub brings wonderful news. A windfall of resources may come your way to help you with your plans. These resources may involve money, advice, or assistance in getting things done. It is a good time to start a new venture, change careers, or go into business for yourself. There may be important contracts for you to sign. So Leos, though it is a transition time, but yes, you will be able to make it. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.